Today we are talking about the gear terminology. Gear is basically made from two circles. When we all know that two circles can roll from a point, has a higher contact, but sometimes because there is a tendency of slipping in that gear, that wheels. So to avoid that slipping tendency, we are going to produce some projections on that circle so that the friction between them is quite evident. So we make this gear profile, we make this tooth on that circular profile. To understand the fundamental of all the terminologies, we need to understand that there is a pitch circle. Let us assume that the two wheels that are rolling on about each other from a point, the radius which is from that center to the imaginary circle that is rolling, that is known as pitch circle. So pitch circle is a circle in which it is an imaginary circle about which two gears are assumed to be rolling. And for the designing purpose, for the calculation purpose, analytical purpose, we always need this pitch circle diameter. The first is pitch circle. It is the imaginary circle on a gear which by pure rolling action would produce the same motion as that of actual gear. हम लोग इसमें पिच सर्कल को एक इमेजिनरी सर्कल ही मान रहे हैं, बट सारी डिजाइनिंग पिच सर्कल के बेसिस पे होती है. Then we have pitch point. As we know that two rolling surface has a higher contact, a point contact. That point contact, the point contact of the two imaginary pitch circle is known as pitch point. Then we have module. Module is the ratio of the pitch circle diameter to the number of teeth. It is mathematically given as M is equal to diameter, pitch circle diameter upon the number of teeth. Then we have circular pitch. The circular pitch is the distance measured along the circumference of pitch circle from one tooth to another corresponding point on the next tooth. यहाँ जो रेड वाला पार्ट देख रहे हैं, that is मतलब what is pitch circle, what is circular pitch? Starting of one tooth to the starting point of another tooth. The distance is known as the circular pitch. It is measured on the pitch circle diameter. Then we have pressure angle. Pressure angle can usually be seen in different law of gearing, but it is not available in this because pressure angle is obtained from meshing of the two gears. तो इसमें नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है, but pressure angle is the angle between the common normal drawn at a point of contact of the mating gear and the common tangent at the pitch point. इसमें नहीं दिखेगा when we will be doing that law of gearing. It is very easy to identify pitch circles. Then we have addendum. Addendum is the distance. It is a distance from the top that we have addendum circle there. ठीक है, जहाँ लिखा हुआ addendum circle, and we have a addendum circle at the bottom. From the pitch circle to the addendum circle, the distance is known as addendum, and it is usually measured as A. And similarly, dedendum is the distance from the pitch circle to the dedendum circle. Then we have clearance. Usually clearance is like when the two mating gears intersect each other, there is a space left. The addendum of one gear and the dedendum of the second gear is a small distance which is known as clearance, and it is very important, otherwise there will be lot of trouble and there will be clashing. Then we have total depth. Total depth is the radial distance between the addendum and dedendum of a gear. अब addendum and dedendum of the gear यानी कि A and D, the distance, addendum distance and the dedendum distance. Total distance is known as total depth. Working depth is the radial distance between addendum circle to the clearance circle. As I have already told you कि clearance has to be there. अगर clearance नहीं होगा तो there will be locking of, jamming of the gears. Then we have tooth thickness. Tooth thickness is displayed in red. The tooth thickness is the thickness or the width of the tooth measured along the pitch circle. अब ये इसका मतलब ये है कि एक टूथ के बीच में कितनी डिस्टेंस है, मतलब जो उसकी जो पिच सर्कल कवर कर रही है, दैट इज टूथ थिकनेस. देन वी हैव टूथ स्पेस. इट इज अ गैप और अ विड्थ ऑफ स्पेस बिटवीन द टू एडजेसेंट टीथ. अगर देखा जाए तो अगर हम टूथ थिकनेस प्लस टूथ स्पेस करें तो वी विल गेट सर्कुलर पिच. ये लॉजिकली है, इसमें देख के साफ पता चल रहा है. तो टूथ थिकनेस जो है वो होती है टूथ कितना थिक है, और टूथ स्पेस जो है वो होती है कि इन दो, एक टूथ जहां खत्म हो रहा है और दूसरा टूथ जहां शुरू हो रहा है उसके बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस है. देन वी हैव फेस ऑफ द टूथ. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ टूथ सरफेस विच इज अबव द पिच सरफेस. यहाँ फेस ऑफ द टूथ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि एमडी मशीन डिजाइनिंग में हम लोग की जो भी फोर्सेस लगती हैं वी यूजुअली कंसिडर इट एट ऑन फेस. और वैसे भी जो भी ब्रेकिंग होती है वो फेस के थ्रू ही होती है, फ्लैंक के थ्रू होती है, कोई भी नीचे से टूथ नहीं टूटता यूजुअली. देन वी हैव टॉप लैंड. टॉप लैंड इज द सर्फेस ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द टूथ. देन फेस विड्थ. फेस विड्थ इज द विड्थ ऑफ द टूथ गियर measured gear tooth measured parallel to its axis. We have backlash also. Backlash is a sort of a problem that is faced in gears. It is a difference between the tooth space and the tooth thickness which is measured along the pitch surface. If the backlash is somewhat it has to be there to avoid the jamming. So theoretically it should be 0, but practically some backlash must be allowed to prevent jamming of the tooth due to tooth errors. So it is a sort of a consideration that we have to make.